Welcome to Road Ready and my shop. I'm Moses Ludel. Some of you know me as the author of the Jeep Owner's Bible and 6 other books with Bentley Publishers. My writing career began in 1983 with Off-Road magazine. My best-selling Jeep books each earned a manufacturer's part number from Mopar Performance, and the Chevrolet and GMC Light Truck Owner's Bible earned a GM Motorsports part number, and likewise, the Ford F-Series book earned a Ford SVO part number. Some of you may know me from Camp Jeep. I was the spokesperson for Mopar Performance and Jeep Performance in the Mopar tent at Camp Jeep for 12 years. I worked with consumers, helping them better equip their four-wheel drive Jeep for off-pavement use. If you have those kinds of needs, I can share. In my writing, I have addressed every kind of four-wheel drive and sport utility vehicle, from Toyota to International Harvester Scout, to the early and up to the latest Bronco. My first writing assignment was for Off-Road magazine, the February issue 1983. By 1987, I was writing for a dozen magazines, columns, Q&A, outdoor adventure for four-wheel drive and sport utility vehicles. I was responsible for testing new vehicles, which would later serve me well when I wrote for the Portland Oregonian for 4 years. I became a consultant for major vehicle manufacturers for the launch of their SUVs and 4x4 light trucks in the mid-90s. I was on the Tread Lightly board of directors through those years, and conducted four-wheel drive safety clinics on behalf of Tread Lightly and Chevrolet Truck. I trail guided on the launch of the Mercedes-Benz ML320, also the Chevrolet and GMC light truck and SUV models in the mid-90s, at venues like Moab and the 14ers. I even worked with the Geo Tracker and my high water mark for the Rubicon Trail, which I've actually been on since 1967, was taking 2 Geo Trackers over the trail. Steve Kramer from Cal Mini Products and I partnered on outfitting these 2 Geos to actually survive the trip, and Chevrolet ended up with a national advertising campaign for that accomplishment. Road Ready is also about the four-wheel drive and sport utility vehicle lifestyle. How to make choices around your four-wheel drive sport utility vehicle, lift kits, purchasing a vehicle, which vehicle will best suit your needs, how to navigate the costs and diagnostic needs of late model vehicles. We'll cover all of that and more. Road Ready will be broken down into episodes and seasons, and will address subjects like the four-wheel drive lifestyle, how to safely go off pavement, how to keep your vehicle in top condition so that you don't have a breakdown in the backwoods. I've been over the Rubicon Trail many times, both professionally and recreationally. I covered the Wheelers for the Wounded events in recent years. Moab, Utah, and the 14ers are venues where I've instructed four-wheel driving, so we'll cover some of that. Content at this channel will be also driven by your comments as a subscriber. I'm interested in what your needs are. If you're looking for specific Q&A, I suggest that you go to 4WD Mechanix forums, where you will find lengthy discussions of specific diagnostic and troubleshooting procedures. The objective with Road Ready is to professionalize your skill sets in general and put you in a better position to service, maintain, repair, rebuild, or restore your 4x4 light truck or SUV. Some of you may be interested in the higher-end new four-wheel drive vehicles, and we can discuss that. Some of you are interested in buying a new vehicle, but others may be trying to get family transportation safe and reliable. Road Ready will help with either of those needs, making the right vehicle choices and maintaining the vehicle. The labor costs in dealerships and independent shops will continue to rise. ADAS and other advanced technology will cost consumers. Somebody will be paying for that equipment. My toolboxes still serve me to this day. I do all of the maintenance on our vehicles. 2 of our vehicles have nearly 200,000 miles on them, and I apply the same preventive maintenance skills that I acquired in the late 1960s and early 70s to the work I perform on our personal vehicles. Self-sufficiency around motor vehicles can save a considerable amount of money that can be applied to other areas of our economic life. There is nothing I won't work on either of our high-mileage 4x4s. Road Ready will share what you need and what you can get by with in your shop. Whether you need to work on your own vehicle or want to work on your own vehicle. Whether your vehicles are daily transportation or trailer queens. Road Ready can meet your needs. So join us here at Road Ready.